I said, hi, this is my home. Hi, beauties. Okay, girl, okay, baby girl. I'm gonna do my edges for this video. We need to just channel. My name is Angelina. So hello, baby girl. How are you? Cause subscribing down below to kind of beauty like me. I'm about to do this ways to style your Fulani braids. Okay, cause y'all see my braids are starting to try to look old, and it's only been like 2 weeks because my hair is trying to grow up out of these braids. Okay, they trying to grow up out of these braids. So I said before my hair grow completely out of these braids, I need to go ahead and make this video because I was supposed to make it 15 years ago, but we're not even going to talk about it. Girl, I just ended the video. I forgot I was already recording. But let me do my edges to like lessen up my roughness, and then we gonna get into the video. Okay, so hi beauty. So I'm just showing y'all me doing my edges because girl, as you can see, they was looking rough. It was looking rough, and I couldn't be scaring y'all out there like that. And it took me like 15,000 tries to get my edges right, and they was still looking a little janky after I took the scarf off, so I had to redo them a little bit, but it's okay. This is me like praying to God, like, Jesus, please let this be good. And it kind of was a little scary, but yeah. So yeah, y'all see me fixing it a little bit. High-key scared. Okay, now that all that's out of the way, I'm just about to quickly show y'all the first style because it's literally how the style was styled in the first place. So this is just style number 1. Okay, now we're on to style number 2. So I'm just gathering all of my hair and I'm gonna put it in a little rubber band. This is similar to another style, but it's higher up than like the other style you'll see. And then also another option is putting a scrunchie on it just to make it, you know, cuter and just more fun. Okay, y'all, here's style number 3. This is just a cute little bun. I actually never wore this hairstyle out when I had this, but like as I was making this video, I thought of this hairstyle and it was like actually so cute. But yeah, so there we go. Okay, so this is actually very similar to the other half of Path Down, but instead for this one is lower. So yeah, you basically just follow the same steps, y'all. Okay, now we're on to style number 5. This is just a cute little low pony, girl. I had to come on my BDBs because girl, my kitchen was a little rough. It was a little rough. I couldn't have it screaming at y'all, nothing like that. But so yeah, I'm just simply tying the rubber band around there and that's all. You are inside of us. You will revive us. 'Cause you're our provider. You gave us fire. Okay, so y'all, this next style was just one of my favorite styles for when I didn't feel like having hair on top of my head or anything, or hair all down my back. So it was very cute and fun, and I just loved it. You are inside of us. You will revive us. 'Cause you're our provider. You gave us fire. You are inside of us. Okay, so y'all, with this style, I'm just bringing my head down like to the bottom, like flipping my head over and putting my hair in a ponytail. That helps me put it in a ponytail easier because like, girl, it's too much hair. I would be struggling. But I'm just doing a simple ponytail. You can either do this to the side or whatever. So that's what I'm just showing you now. Like either way, it's cute to me. But yeah. Okay, so I put part 2 because this is literally the same style but with the scrunchie, just to jazz it up, make it a little cuter, like add a little accessory, and yeah. Okay, so y'all, this is by far one of my favorite style with these braids, y'all. Like the beads just accent it so well. And if you've seen like my social media, you've seen either this style or the one I'm about to show next, which is basically kind of the same thing. But yeah, it just looks so cute. I loved it so much. And once again, I'm just labeling this part 2 because it's literally the same style but with a scrunchie. Okay, and this is also kind of like the same style, but this one, instead of putting like making it all neat and stuff, it's like loose, carefree or whatever. Like I just loved it so much. Like the beads just like flying out everywhere. I loved it so much. Okay, and y'all, I didn't notice that the scrunchie was on there looking like that. I promise y'all I did not wear it like looking crazy like that, but I made this video quick. Okay, so I think that's a gist of all the hairstyles I have for y'all. Y'all on my interested? Okay, just a little, some of them gone a little bit, but it's still kind of but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow my social media down in the description down below, and also at the end of the video and the beginning of the video always. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Stay tuned for more. Let me know down in the comments below which style you like best. Like what's your favorite style out of all of them. But yeah, I love you guys. Bye beauties. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.